how is it different from, say, Vinyasa yoga, or, there's so many yogas now, but I think Hatha Yoga and Vinyasa yoga are the most ones, that are talked about. So is that something that you might want to share something on?
Okay, now here I would not, I'm not the right person to comment on Vinyasa yoga, because I haven't practiced that. I haven't practiced Vinyasa, but Hatha Yoga is, like you said, stretching. We were talking about stretching earlier. So stretching is, let me just explain in a short this thing. Like when your body is in a state of stillness for long periods of time, like after sleep. So what I have, the lubricating fluids in the body tend to settle down. So to get the lubricating fluids moving, they tend to settle down at the joints. To get the lubricating fluids moving, stretching is extremely beneficial.
Right.
And likewise, like you said, how is Hatha Yoga different from other practices? Hatha Yoga prepares your body for a certain sense of discipline that you can follow to explore inner dimensions. I would say the higher dimensions you can explore once your body supports you.
Right.
When you have to sit in sadhana for some time, for a certain period of time, if your body is prepared and ready for it, it becomes more pleasurable. You can sit and explore higher dimensions within you.
So, which would imply that Hatha Yoga is not just about the physical asanas, but also about, say, sadhana, meditation, or developing your mental faculties as well?
Hatha Yoga actually helps you break all mental limitations. And all the physical limitations that you think that because of the hatha that you're doing, because there's a stubbornness of continuing to do the asanas.
Right.
And it prepares your body to a phenomenal capacity, and the muscle memory, over a period of time, the muscle memory kicks in, and you can sit comfortably, cross-legged on the ground for long. I've seen people where, when I started out initially, it was difficult to just sit for long periods because we are so not used to sitting on the ground, which itself is, our lifestyles are very detrimental to our health these days. You have long hours of sitting on these cushiony chairs, which is where the posture gets totally disaligned.
True.